Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English with Emma and Ben.
Hello, hello. How are you today, listeners?
I hope you're feeling happy and ready to learn some English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. Today, we have a fun topic for you. Can you guess?
It's all about what's in your bag.
Yes, we are going to talk about things we carry every day and teach some fun vocabulary along the way.
And don't worry, we'll make it easy with examples and little stories.
So, Emma, I have a question. What's in your bag today?
Ooh, good question. Let's see. I have my wallet, my phone, some pens, and a small notebook.
Nice. Do you have any snacks?
Yes, I have a small chocolate bar. Sometimes I need energy during the day.
Perfect. Listeners, see, even a chocolate bar can be in your bag.
And Ben, what about you? What's in your bag?
Well, I have my keys, my headphones, a water bottle, and a little book.
Very organized. Let's explain some words from our bags for beginners.
Sure. First, wallet. A wallet is where you keep money and cards.
Yes, and keys, you use them to open your house or car.
Phone, easy, right? We use it to call, text, or even listen to music.
Pens, to write notes or draw something.
And a notebook is where you can write your ideas, make a list, or practice English.
Don't forget snacks like a chocolate bar, fruit, or a small cookie.
Let's make a small story for our listeners.
Okay, imagine I go to school with my bag. I take my notebook and pens to write lessons.
Then, during the break, you eat your chocolate bar.
Yes, and when I need money for lunch, I take my wallet.
And don't forget your phone to call your friend.
Exactly. Listeners, you see how each item in your bag has a purpose.
Now, listeners, it's your turn. Think about your bag. What do you have?
Do you have a water bottle, a book, or maybe earphones?
Pause here and say it out loud. I have a water bottle. I have a notebook.
That's great practice. Repeating words helps you remember them.
Let's expand a little. Sometimes we carry makeup, like lip balm or hand cream.
Or sunglasses case for sunny days.
Umbrella, very useful when it rains.
Oh, yes, and a snack bag for your lunch.
Listeners, your bag can have many things. We carry what we need every day.
Ben, I noticed your bag is small. Mine is a bit bigger.
True, I like small bags. Easy to carry.
I like big bags because I carry more items. I even carry a little scarf and extra pen.
Yes, some people carry a lot. Others carry only the essentials: wallet, keys, and phone.
That's right. Everyone is different.
Let's do a dialogue practice for our listeners.
Okay, I will ask, you answer.
Ready.
What's in your bag today?
I have a phone, keys, and a water bottle.
Do you have a notebook?
No, I don't have a notebook today.
Do you have snacks?
Yes, I have a small cookie.
Perfect. Listeners, try this with your friends or by yourself.
Here's a tip. When you talk about your bag, use I have or I don't have.
For example, I have a pen. I don't have an umbrella.
Very simple. You can also ask, do you have a notebook?
And don't forget to practice out loud. Speaking is very important.
Emma, let's do a small game for our listeners.
Great!
I will name an item. You say if you carry it or not.
Okay.
Phone,
Yes, I have a phone.
chocolate bar,
Yes, I have one.
umbrella.
No, I don't have an umbrella today.
Perfect. Listeners, try this game with your bag too.
Wow, we learned a lot about bags today. Vocabulary, sentences, questions, and small stories.
Remember, your bag is not just things. It's also a way to practice English.
Try to talk about your bag every day, what you have, what you don't have, and even your favorite items.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this episode.
Yes, and leave a comment telling us what's in your bag.
Have fun practicing your English, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you next time.
Bye.